Have a nice day to all of the viewers. Today, we're now again deliver a seedlings from farm to the loading point. This is another seedlings that we're going to plant in another place. This is a very healthy seedlings. And I know that someday this is another contribution to our society in terms of oil products. This is my operator, my driver, Eddie Jimenez. It's so amazing work. And to all of my valued viewers, Facebook and YouTube, thank you very much for watching this video of mine. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe of this video. Thank you so much. God bless us all.